Hello and welcome to this Advanced Excel ICDL video. Today we'll be looking at mixed referencing. Mixed referencing is used in a worksheet when you want to calculate a range of cells, but you want to keep the formula containing one part of the calculation fixed, and you want to have the other part of the calculation continuous. So for example, if you wanted to find 5% discount of a price that's, let's say, €5, you can calculate it in this cell. But if you wanted to copy that formula, so you'd get a 10% discount, a 15% discount, and a 20% discount, this would not be possible using an average formula. What you need to do is mixed referencing. So, mixed referencing fixes one part of the formula to a cell and allows a range of cells to be included in another part of the formula. So what we will do is we'll type in equals $, B4. So what that has done is selected B4 and fixed it to that cell, multiplied by C $3. So when you're doing mixed referencing, ensure that the $sign for the first part of the calculation is on the left of the cell reference. So in this case it's $B4, and then the second part of the calculation is C, and then the $sign is in the middle, and then 3. So what effectively this is doing is fixing part of the formula that is only in this row 3, but it continues to calculate based on this cell here and these cells here. So if you press enter, you'll see that the 5% discount is applied. You can use the fill handle to calculate across these, and then you can use the fill handle again to calculate the rest of the discounts. This is very useful if you want to quickly make a number of calculations using a row of data and a column of data. So in this case it's price and discount. This is a very useful formula and can be used in many different situations, especially with budgeting, sales, or accounts. I hope you have enjoyed this video. For further information on Advanced Excel and ICDL, click on the link below to visit the DigiDiscover website. I hope that you've enjoyed this video.